Just to take this one step further, what we might now do is just add some line marking onto the speed table. So all we're going to do is just simply minimize model viewer just for a second, and we're going to go to the roads tab, toggle display, and turn off the display of the mesh. We don't need to see that. We are going to just pop to the home tab, and we've got a couple of layers that have been drawn to represent the line marking for the raised section and then for the actual transition sections. And these are simply polylines. They don't actually have to have width if you want to employ them in model viewer, but in this case they have got width, so it's just purely a drafting exercise. But to have these added into model viewer, we're just going to pop back in. We're going to go to the line marking tab and click on marking setup. You've got a few different options in here, but because we've already created these polylines on layers, we can just simply use the file layer option. We're going to click on add layer, and the first layer we're going to click on is LM1. This represents the polylines that are on the raised section. We're going to click on a style, one of the predefined styles which is, comes with the software, and reference the following surface, which is our speed table, and click apply. We're then going to just add one more, which is for the transition sections. LM2. We'll make these 150 wide, and again we'll reference the same surface and click OK. And there is our line marking. Now we'll have a quick look at how we can have this table updated to reflect any design changes to the base surface.